Parliament held the first reading of a bill that could fundamentally change how we protect our children in Grenada. The Age of Civil Responsibility Amendment Bill allows 16-year-olds to consent to sexual and reproductive health care without parental consent. In addition, it gives the Minister of Legal Affairs, after consultation with the Minister of Health, the power to lower that age to as young as 12 through a Gazette order that requires a majority vote in Parliament. Now, I want to be clear about something. We all know the reality. Too many of our children face abuse, including in their own homes. Some young people can't access the health care they desperately need because the very people who should protect them are the ones causing harm. That's a real problem that demands real solutions. But here's what I'm seeing across social media in conversations with our lawyers, parents, teachers, religious leaders, and community groups. There's widespread concern and confusion about this legislation. The level of questions being asked, the number of people saying, I'm hearing about this for the first time, that tells us something important. Regardless of what consultations may have happened before, the public response we're witnessing right now shows that more conversation is clearly needed. Good policy doesn't just require expert input. It requires public understanding. When this many parents, lawyers, religious leaders, and community advocates are raising questions, we should listen. Consultation isn't a box to tick and move on. It's ongoing dialogue until our communities feel informed and heard. That is exactly why the movement's approach matters. We believe that laws affecting our children should continue to be discussed until parents understand them, experts feel heard, and our communities are confident we're making the right decisions. In the coming days, we'll be organizing community conversations across Grenada, bringing together medical experts, legal minds, child advocates, religious leaders, and most importantly, you. Because when it comes to our children's future, taking the time to get it right isn't delay, it's responsibility. First, we ask the hard questions, then we demand the conversations our children deserve. Finally, we move forward together with understanding, not confusion.